There is power in music. People living with Alzheimer's disease experience a memory loss that can be quite devastating to their family members and loved ones. The good news is that music is a powerful tool when it comes to caring for somebody that has Alzheimer's disease. And there's a reason for that. Music engages more areas of the human brain than any other human activity. In the brain of somebody that has Alzheimer's disease, the last area to degenerate is an area that houses both music memory and emotion. And when you can bring those two forces together, it creates an awakening, and they retain the ability to respond to it and sometimes even briefly reconnect with a loved one. A personal example I have is my father. My father had Alzheimer's disease, and I knew that Unity Hospice specialized in this music and memory program for people with Alzheimer's disease. And so I entrusted my father's care to Unity Hospice. The last day of his life, my father wasn't responding to anybody. He wasn't talking, he wasn't moving, he wasn't eating. So we were playing music throughout the day, and it just so happened that when my mother came in to say her final goodbye to him, we happened to be playing the music that they consider their love song. She walks through the door, the music is playing, and Dad sits straight up. He starts to pull her close to him. He kisses her on the cheek, and he says, "Hello, hun." My father, who could barely connect with anybody, remember any of our names, somehow because of that music, it helped him to reconnect her back to him. At Unity Hospice and Palliative Care, our team is dedicated to providing comfort care for not only your loved one who has Alzheimer's, but also for you and your family as you walk together on this journey. We're a certified music and memory care organization, and we utilize the powerful benefits of personalized music to create playlists that are both meaningful and enjoyable for your loved one. Would you like to learn more about our programs? Contact us at unityhospice.com or give us a call. We'd love to share the many ways that we can help care for your loved one.